It's starting again!
What's that noise? It's Shelley Mermaid.
Yep, these few nights, that barnacle-brained mermaid wails all night. And that means every full moon I can't sleep.
Have you tried just asking Shelley to be quiet?
Of course I have! She says she's singing to her friends. It's important and she won't stop.
Shelley's song is about magical foam and pearls.
Sounds like mysterious treasure to me. Let's look for them pearls.
I think I've already found them.